shoot na.
Happy New Year.
To another
Welcome back.
DIF number 7.
What's in the box? To the lucky number 13.
Every time, number 13.
Every Sunday.
Dun, 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 dun,
Every
dun,
Sunday.
dun, dun, dun. Hey, you guys are like, look at me last again? Okay, hold on last.
Every Sunday.
This is a big green dinosaur floaty.
Glory! Magamayon ako.
And this is a Greek cat.
It's pre-Greek hat, bought in Greece.
This is a beach hat. We got a travel bag, luggage. It has wheels too.
A super nice, smells good lemon soap.
And this is very nice shoes.
Very
Brand
nice.
new, and it's 10, number 10 size.
Modern camo, very nice. But this one is a purse. I don't know why I'm fascinated with this purse. Multi-pockets, multifaceted, crazy cool purse.
And this is a blue.
Take it out, Mama. This is for like a happy birthday, I think. For when the babies turn 1. Yeah.
And this is a brand new glasses. You put your glasses in here.
Coffee. Everybody drinks coffee, right? Powered by coffee and yarn. If you like the yarn.
Put this inside the end. I've got a pillow with
And a bed. The issue is walay taklob.
And this is a nice photograph. Put your photos in here. Your photos.
I just continue, you guys.
this is a teddy bear for like your prayer bear.
And this is an umbrella.
One of Mom's favorite collections, photo frame. Oh no, photo frame.
This
Yeah.
is a really nice Christmas jacket.
Oh no.
Little hoodie. And the brand new.
Brandon?
Cat. Cabin.
New issue, Old Navy. From Old Navy size 8.
And this is a really nice one from Florida. And this is a pot
from Grandma?
from Grandma.
From Grandma in Heaven.
Shout out to Grandma in Heaven and Lola. Thank you.
Glass.
Guinness.
Guinness.
This is the coolest little cup, isn't it? It's got, oh wow, it's so cool.
And this is a nice puzzle with 1,000 pieces.
Puzzle.
Yep, puzzle.
Okay, so forgot the word. My madakot. Yeah, okay. First.
This is a bag for you to stuff.
Ako na di. Shoulder bag. I got one. And tapos napod imuha para sharing is caring. No issue.
And this is brand new for Foster's no tag.
Very nice. Looks like Philippines.
Could do a backpack.
Big backpack. He knows the big. It's like says, hello moms, you are cool. Huge heart.
Okay, we got a bedtime story book, The Friendly Snowflake.
This is a blankie. And this is for your short. You can clean your short.
This is super nice. Watch, bracelet, and another bracelet.
Wow, a set.
Nice.
A home decor.
That's glass. Really cool.
Really cute. So lang sa imuhang jewelry.
Then we got a patterned skirt.
Very nice. It's like Pucci.
And
Emilio Pucci.
floaty for kids.
Very nice. It's an outdoor ornament for hanging. I'm not sure what else it could be used for.
Garden decoration.
Garden
And
decoration.
then this is a nice belt. That's brand new.
This is a decoration for like a house.
Jeans to Madam Sir, vintage straight size 12.
Why do we need a purple lip gloss from Sephora?
This is an orange beanie hat.
Hunter orange. Very nice hat, Teach. This is a wallet, his or hers, but I think more like hers. Yep.
RFD. Got coconut body oil.
And then this is very nice the glasses.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Hair clips. Nice.
And a Chromebook or a laptop to Madam Bear. Nagamay madako. Lenovo.
Wow, Lenovo Chromebook, very nice.
For the
This is
students.
made for stuff now.
For searching.
Every Balikbayan
This is a
box
nice
has a
book.
Chromebook, and he does.
Yay! Woo! Every Sunday raffle.
Blankets. Nice tiny portable blanket. Got a pretty church
How's he
dress
make it that one?
or dress.
Yaya's free love. Summer top.
Jeans. Size something.
Size large,
And then this is a nice white towel.
brand new one. Yep, that's cool.
Good for kitchen.
Very, very nice, baby kitchen. Wow, this thing, look at me. Disco fever. That's a wild, beautiful shirt. We're gonna put it in the bag safe. Isn't it? Disco
And
Inferno.
this is a koozie.
Ready to
Koozie.
go. Ready to go pulse.
You got a size large. Top.
Top. Yes.
Size 11. Pants, shorts.
In a curtain.
Cortina.
And
Cortina.
then this is nice underwear. It's size
Very nice underwear.
5T.
5T. Some undie shorts. Crown Royal bag. Yeah, nice and velvet.
This is the thing for your hands for the wall.
Here we got an extra small tights.
Are those tights?
Tights, yeah.
Wow, back to Aaron.
Top.
Swimsuit top.
In a size 10. I'm in large 10, 12. The bottom sa swimwear. Congrats. And that's
That
the
everything?
total of, that's the total of
66 items! Pay it forward, guys. Para ni mo.
Number 7.
Now it's the fast forward to it. And remember, we're not putting signatures.
Nope, we're gonna do initials. I was like, you know what's crazy about this box? We were early on. I was like, how is this stuff gonna fit in this box? I wonder if people at home are thinking that. How is all this stuff gonna fit in this one box? Because it was crazy packed, nice, it worked.
That's a lot.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Yeah, I'm really